In today's video, I'm going to teach you use OneNote Desktop on Windows for full-featured note-taking with infinite canvases, rich media support, and seamless OneDrive sync across devices. Let's start with getting comfortable in the interface. Your notebooks live in the left sidebar. Click a notebook to reveal its sections, which appear like tabs. Choose a section, and you'll see its pages listed in the right pane. This three-tier layout keeps everything tidy as your notes grow. When you need more room, go to the View tab. Full page clears away the interface for distraction-free writing. Dock to Desktop pins OneNote to the side so you can take notes while working in other apps. And if you're writing or sketching by hand, turn on rule lines or grid for neater results. Now for your core workflow. To create a new notebook, open File, choose New, give it a name, and save it to OneDrive so it syncs across devices automatically. Inside a notebook, add structure with the plus buttons for section and page. You can drag sections and pages to reorganize at any time. OneNote's canvas is flexible. Click anywhere to type and move text containers freely to rearrange ideas. On the Home tab, format your text, add bullets or numbering, and apply tags like to do and important. Tags make key items pop and help you find them later. Rich content is just a click away on the Insert tab. Drop in images, files, audio recordings, tables, links, and even screenshots. For fast screen captures, press Windows plus Shift plus S, select your area, and paste it right onto the page. This is ideal for collecting references or documenting steps with visuals. Boost productivity with templates. Go to Insert, then Page Templates to pick planners, meeting notes, and more. If you design a page you love, save it as the default for that section to keep every new page consistent. When you need something, use the magnifying glass to search. OneNote can find text across all notebooks, including printed images and handwriting. Collaboration is simple. Click share, invite people, and work together in real time. OneNote keeps a history of edits so you can track changes as a team. If you use a stylus, open the Draw tab to sketch or annotate. Ink to Math converts handwritten equations into typed math and can solve them, which is perfect for homework or problem-solving sessions. Finally, sign in with your Microsoft account to sync and customize your experience under File, then Account, where you can adjust your theme and storage options. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more OneNote tips and tutorials.